Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Singma and today we will show you kung ano yung mga usual steps or processes na ginagawa namin pag meron kaming mga pre-event shoots like pre-nuptial, birthday, pre-debut, or kahit ano pa mang event yan. So to help me today, I have here one of my closest friends since high school / my client for today, Danica King. So, Danica, ano ba yung event na isa-celebrate natin?
Actually, 8th birthday ng daughter ko, so kailangan natin ng pre-birthday photo shoot na gagamitin niya na rin for invitation.
Okay, so may mga ideas ka na ba na nasa isip mo?
Actually, meron na, pero open naman ako for suggestions.
So, ano pang hihintay natin? Dito pinagpaplanuhan yung mga kailangan sa shoot, like kung ano ba yung theme or yung peg, yung wardrobe, set design, schedule, location, and of course, pinag-uusapan na din yung costing. In this case, we decided na Under the Sea ang magiging theme. Since wala kaming studio, we decided to have our photo shoot dito sa condo nila Danica. Habang nag-aayos ng hair, makeup, at susuotin ng model, ay sinimulan na namin na mag-ayos ng set design. For the background, we use a self-adhesive laminate. Pwede rin naman gumamit ng foil as an alternative. Blue foil curtain, and under the sea decorations. We also put brown blanket on the floor. We use transparent colored balloons na nakadikit sa sinulid para sa bubble effect. Naglagay kami ng white cloth sa floor para magmukhang waves. Para naman dun sa upuan niya, we just used a white blanket and formed it na pabilog para maupuan. Then, we covered it with a net-like texture curtain. Lastly, naglagay kami ng mga shells at pearls around it. So yan everyone, as you can see, okay na ang ating set design. Yes! But before I would start, I would wanna make sure na yung hands ko are clean before ko hawakan yung mga models and yung mga equipment ko. Dahil medyo germaphobe ako. And I always make sure that I have this antibacterial hand gel in my pocket. It's Pocket Back Bath and Body Works Cucumber Melon Flavor. So, ayan siya. This one's available sa Franeta Mall. So, as you can see dyan, follow nyo yung, and like nyo yung mga social media pages nila. So, ito na. Gamitin na natin. Ay! Onti na. Bango. Yan. Now na malinis na, let's get the shoot started.
Ano, kaya pa?
KO.
Kaya pa?
In editing, I use Adobe Lightroom for color correction and color grading, or kahit ano pa mang mga basic adjustment yan. I also use Adobe Photoshop for photo manipulation purposes. I only manipulate photos whenever necessary. I always see to it to make everything as perfect as possible while shooting to avoid additional editing work later on. So ayan guys, dyan na nagtatapos ang ating video for today. If you do like this video, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. So thank you, Danica.
Thank you, thank you.
So till next time, bye!